Abby Johnson, and I'm going to be unboxing the May 2019 Teen Dot Box. So I already cut it open, but I haven't looked inside or anything. So yeah, here we go. When I open this one up, first there's a little card, and it says, "Hey girl, your May 2019 self-care box is here." And then it gives us a little thing about, hey, there's only a few weeks of school left, and this has breakfast-inspired goodies. And it says what all the things are. So, right here, it says social media thank you, and there's a little charm for like a keychain, and it has a dream catcher on it. It's really pretty. And then, yeah, I took that out without actually taking off the thing. But there's orange, tissue grass. That's what I'm gonna call it, because I have never known what to actually call it. So yeah, I'm gonna move that to the side, and yeah. Now we have this thing. It says Inspirationally Speaking by Teen Dot Boxx, and it's a little decal for your phone, laptop, mirror, door, or whatever. And this comes off, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Ooh, right here we have a bunch of cupcake foil baking cups. There's 32 of them according to the package. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Then right here, ooh, Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch berries. Yum. Next, we have a Fruit Loops shea butter lotion, and yes, this is going to be amazing. Fruit Loops smell amazing. So, ooh. Next, we have chocolate chip muffin mix. Chocolate chip muffin mix. And I'm guessing that's why we had the little tin thingies. So yeah, well, foil, not tin. Yeah. Next, ooh, chocolate chip chewy dips. I eat these sometimes at school, and these are amazing. Then next in here, ooh, yeah, we have the period stuff, and for me, I have 8 pads, U by Kotex, cleanwear, regular, and then, yeah. So, right here we have some mango orange juice body wash. Interesting. Sounds like it would smell really good. And then, ooh, aw, contents, cute bath time delicacy. Oh, it's a rainbow sprinkles waffle bath bomb. Oh, so it's like waffle. I'm pretty sure this right here is like a waffle shaped bath bomb, and it's sparkly according to the name, because it says rainbow sprinkles waffle bath bomb 4 ounce. So yeah, this will be really nice, but I'm not going to open it right now because that would be pretty messy. Ooh. Oh. Hey, that's kind of cool. It's a notebook, and it has the decal thing from earlier on the cover. Yeah. Nice notebook. Yes. You can never have enough notebooks. Oh, we have another bath bomb, and this one's a unicorn donut bath bomb. Interesting. So yeah. It seems like this is the last thing, but this is Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleaner. It's oil-free with bursting beads, and it wakes you up, rinses clean with vitamin D and ginseng. I think that's how you pronounce that. But yeah. Well, that's the last thing in the box, except for tons and tons of this fun grass thing. So yeah. Well, an overall review of how I like this box. This is my second month of getting it, and I would say it's pretty good. I mean, there are some things that I wish you would customize, like say if you had like allergies, it would be better if you would like be able to say, hey, don't put this type of stuff in here because I have allergies to this, or that type of stuff. But it's a pretty good box. So yeah, if I set this down, going over everything there was again, we have, going in what I grab, we have a orange body wash. We have a chocolate chip chewy dips. We have a Captain Crunch Berries cereal. We have a unicorn donut bath bomb. We have a Morning Burst facial cleaner. We have a notebook and we have a decal thing for whatever you want. We have a Rainbow Sprinkles waffle bath bomb. We have, of course, our period stuff. We have chocolate chip muffin mix. We have 32 foil baking cups. We have Fruit Loop shea butter lotion. We have a little Dreamcatcher keychain thing. And then we have the little card saying what it is. So yeah, thank you for watching this unboxing. Like and subscribe.